see. This one.
Very big na?
Yeah. Too much big.
Mashallah.
Let's see other one also. See.
Oh guys, good morning.
Okay. Hello. Kaisa hai?
You know this one? Shell from the sea lah.
Kaisa hai? Lagi wala all. All.
Talaban driver ay talaga lapping. Why like that?
Kaisa ba?
Sa ilaw ba? Sabi, what is you? Run the pala inside. That's not good.
You know already, huh?
Yeah. Some sambul you said. Or sambul.
Thank you guys for watching. Check this one.
Aywa.
Allah.
Alaan.
We have a documentary of
What name this one in your country?
Huh?
What name that one?
I forget also.
Not shell?
I don't know.
Pag sa no, pinas na mahal no?
Hindi ko alam.
Sa mga
Hindi.
Chinese.
No, this one
Very big na?
very big lah.
Mashallah.
See guys. See.
Shell.
This one the
Shell. Diamond.
see.
Shell diamond.
Sugat na yung kamay ko eh.
That one sir.
Malong
I know.
We have a good time early in the morning. Lucky guys. Too much enjoying here. You want to catch a shell? Ella, come, see. Ma, again. Ella, put it here.
See too much. One. But then
See, this is same like
Yeah.
finding diamond in the sea.
yeah.
But we are finding shell here.
Ninong. Ninong daw. Yalla, take a bath.
We cannot grow there. This one will bring us this one after 1 week. Not become big.
This one, there's...
Next one? It will not become big.
That one?
This one.
No, maybe this one only this not normal size like
no,
this.
Maybe this one is
Like this.
local.
Only like
Local,
this.
yeah.
Mamaya pa!
See? The white stone.
Where? The white stone? That one halaan no?
Yeah, it's real.
See?
Ano sabi principal?
You see. See.
Tayo ba eh?
See the plane? I will come from this plane. Nepal. Guys. After 2 years.
After 2 years?
Yes. Diamond!
Wait.
The
This one.
The white.
Too much na?
The
Galing
white,
na kumuha
yeah.
niya no?
See, malum la.
This one is small.
Your-
Malum na, ha?
Good now already.
No, kalas. Go na. See, sir, tinan mo, ang daming mga isda yan, oh.
Sa'yo ay magi!
See, sir, too much fish, no?
Ano oras na ba mati?
Maaga pa, sir. Mag 6:30. Ito.
What time we go back?
7. Mamaya.
Almost 1 kg lah. Almost 1 kg I will sell in the market. Very expensive this one. Diamond.
Yeah.
See, sir, too much, ang dami, oh. Pang kilawin.
Marami na yan? Tuwas na?
No, finish.
Finish.